First of all, viewers open YouTube. After opening YouTube, search for the channel Mr. POV Explainer. Now take a look at this channel. It has around 24.6K subscribers with only 56 videos uploaded. If we talk about monetization, viewers, this channel is 100% monetized, and its estimated monthly earnings are around 3.1K. Looking at the overall performance, the channel has strong views, solid growth, and a good subscriber base. The category of this channel is entertainment, and its primary audience is from the United States. Honestly, viewers, this is a very impressive channel. Now let's talk about the type of content uploaded on this channel. I'm going to click on the popular section and show you the videos one by one. As you can see, this channel creates storytelling-based videos where each video presents a complete proof-style story using 2D animation. You can clearly notice that all these videos are highly engaging and trending, with hundreds of thousands of views. Most of the videos are 10 to 19 minutes long, and according to their length, the views are also very strong. So today, viewers, I'm going to teach you how to create a similar type of short story video. And the best part, we'll do it using a completely free AI tool. Before moving forward, let me show you a sample.
In a war zone, a young soldier steps forward. Get ready, today we win this war. Suddenly, the commander shouts, "Move fast, stay sharp." He grabs his rifle, reloads, and marches into battle. Explosions everywhere, chaos begins. One by one, his teammates fall. Now he must choose, run, or fight. He fights, through fear, through fire, and finally, victory. As the sun rises, peace returns.
First, I created the entire story in multiple scenes. Then, for each scene, I generated image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover prompts. Everything was created scene by scene to maintain consistency and storytelling flow. But don't worry, you don't have to create everything manually. I've already prepared all the prompts for you. You'll find them in the description below, so you can simply copy-paste and generate your own story instantly. Now let me show you my workflow. As you can see, I've created a total of 12 scenes, covering the full story from start to finish. This includes everything from introduction to climax based on an army-style storyline. Each scene is carefully designed to keep the viewer engaged till the end. Now let's move to the next step. First, I'll click on the image generation option because we need visuals for our story. For this, I'll be using a tool called Whisk AI Google Lab. Now this tool works very similar to Flow AI, but here's the best part. It is 100% free. Yes, no credits required, no hidden charges. All you need to do is log in using your Gmail account. Click on Enter tool. Once you're inside, you can set your preferences. For example, I'll set the resolution to 16:9 because that's perfect for YouTube videos. Now I'll simply copy my first prompt, paste it here, and click on Generate. All right, viewers. As you can see, our image generation has started. Now, after waiting for a few seconds, you can clearly see that our first two images are ready in HD quality, which simply proves one thing. This tool is extremely powerful when it comes to image generation. Now I'll move to the next step. I'll copy the second scene prompt, paste it here, and click on Generate again. Then I'll wait around 10 to 15 seconds. And boom. As you can see, our second image is also ready. Now I'll repeat the same process. I'll copy the third prompt, paste it, and after a short wait, you can see that the third image is also generated successfully. And just like this, I'll copy the fourth prompt, paste it, wait a few seconds, and yes, the fourth image is ready as well. Now I'll continue the same workflow for all remaining scenes, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one by one. And viewers, you can clearly see how fast and efficient this tool is. You don't need to do anything complicated, just copy, paste, and generate. Within seconds, your images will be ready in high-quality resolution. Now, once you upload all your prompts, you'll have your complete story visuals ready, scene by scene. As you can see, I now have all my images prepared perfectly aligned with the story. Now, what I'll do is I'll start downloading each image one by one according to the sequence of the story, because in the end, we need to combine everything into a complete storytelling video. All right, viewers. Now all our images have been downloaded successfully. Everything is ready. Now let's move to the next step, which is image to video conversion. For this, we'll use a tool called Dig&I. And viewers, let me tell you something interesting. This tool is absolutely amazing. You just need to log in once, and it automatically gives you daily credits, around 100 credits per day. As you can see, I currently have 730 credits, and I haven't even purchased any plan. These credits are added automatically. Also, if you explore this platform, you'll notice that many trending videos and images are already available here. Now, without wasting any time, let's start creating videos. I'll click on the video option, and here I'll select Real Motion 3.1, which is a very powerful model. Now I'll upload my first image. After that, I'll paste my video prompt, which I've already prepared. Before clicking Generate, take a look here. It only costs 30 credits per video. So now I'll click on Generate Video, and the process has started. Now, usually it takes around 1 to 2 minutes. So let's wait, and after waiting, boom. Our first video is ready in high HD quality with smooth motion and great visual engagement. Now I'll repeat the same process. I'll upload the second image, add the prompt, and click Generate. After a short wait, the second video is also ready. Then I'll upload the third image, generate it, and the third video is ready as well. And just like this, I'll continue for all scenes. Fourth, fifth, sixth, one by one. Now, after completing all generations, you can see that our entire story has been converted into video clips. And honestly, viewers, this tool is incredibly fast and efficient. Within a short time, it has created multiple video clips in 720p quality, forming almost a complete story sequence. Now from here, simply download all the videos and let's move to the final step. Final step, editing CapCut. Now we'll open CapCut here. I'll import all my video clips. Then I'll drag and arrange them according to the story sequence. If there's any logo or unwanted area, you can remove it using the crop scale option. After that, I'll adjust each scene, deciding which clip should come first and which should come next. Now, one important step, remove the original audio from all clips, because we'll add our own custom voiceover. Now for voiceover, simply go to ChatGPT and generate a storytelling script. For example, a soldier preparing for war based on your story. As you can see, I've already generated my voiceover script. Now I'll copy it. Then I'll open a website called TTS A8. This tool is also very powerful and trending. Here you get free daily credits to generate voiceovers. Now I'll paste my script here and select a voice. I'll choose Aries because it sounds very natural and professional. Then I'll click on Create Speech. After a few seconds, my voiceover is ready. Now I'll import this voiceover into CapCut, drag it into the timeline, and align it perfectly with the video scenes. And just like that, our complete storytelling video is ready. Now viewers, take a look at the final result. A highly engaging story-based animated video created completely using free AI tools. I hope you really liked today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel because your support means everything, especially since this is a new channel. And I promise to bring you more powerful and valuable content. Like this, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.